we have dedicated ourselves to a whole DIY program, and we publish a lot of materials to help people just understand what responsibility is and help themselves with responsibility thinking. If you want to learn more on your own, all you have to do is search on responsibility plus process plus Avery, and you'll fill up 10 pages of search with content that's out there. And I invite you to do it, and I welcome you to do it. What we found, though, is that when we get stuck in one of these mental states around something serious in our life, we can't see the way out ourselves. And we require mentoring, which is, so Cassandra talked about the community and George talked about the program. The core of this 20-week immersion is that you and an international faculty of my best students, usually 10 of them, and me, we meet on a regular basis and we practice, and we bring real life problems that we each think is an intractable problem. We think there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to cope with it. And each other acting as mentors, and especially with people who are more experienced than we are, help us break through like that. And it's an amazing feeling to be on a call with somebody and see them pop through. The release of freedom and power is immediate, and you can see it and feel it in the energy. I think that, let me see, people on the call, George and Joe and Cassandra and Rhonda and Alyssa would probably shake their heads. Yes, we all have had that experience. Suhas, yeah, on these calls. So Responsibility Immersion starts a week from today. So here's the plug, all right? You all have the URL for it, responsibility.com/immersion. Some people have let us know that it's difficult for them to find the schedule. So I've got the URL here on my phone, and let me just show you. If you scroll down to where the first register button is, and right under that, there's a little red click to see schedule. And if you click that, then you will pull up the entire 20-week schedule of all of the meetings. So the meetings are 8 core modules of 90 minutes each. This is where we give you all the tools and materials and the exercises and the practices. So it's 12 total hours of content. I want to tell you a secret, as George said, it's not about the content, right? It's about self-applying it. It's about practicing. So we just have 12 hours of content. Then we have 12 hours of Q&A calls where they're directed by you, asking questions about the material and how to apply it, how to practice it, reviewing the exercises and reviewing the practices. The reason is that there's a simple set of tools, but they get to be applied to a complex mind, yours. Right? And so we cannot program everything that there is for you to learn. We can give you the basic tools, and then we can mentor you and be there for you so that you can ask questions and help to make distinctions when it's time to make that distinction. There's only 1 million distinctions for you to make, and you have the rest of your life to make them. So that's the awareness part. And then we have 7 application mastering meetings, and the application mastering meetings are the gold. That's where it all happens. That's where we come and get on the hot seat and ask for help. So I told you I might make a special offer. Here it is. For the first 25 people who register and send an email back to admin@responsibility.com, maybe just send us your receipt or whatever, that says, mentor me, Christopher. So the first 25 people who register and send us an email that says, mentor me, Christopher, you will get a private 25-minute mentoring session with me anytime during the 20 weeks after payment in full has been made. So we have 3 payment plans. We have a single payment plan, we have a 4-payment plan, and we have a 10-payment plan. So just click through the registration button, click through to the registration form, and you'll see those plans there. So would anybody like 25 minutes of mentoring with me on your biggest problem and how to break through? Anybody? No? No takers? Okay.